In this video today, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on with VMware Workstation Pro version 15. Okay, so now here let's get started. You need to download the ISO file of the Windows 10 from the internet to the Windows PC. Okay, to save the time, I already downloaded it here and open the VMware Workstation tool. Here, click on File, New Virtual Machine. And here on this tab you select the typical option. Yeah, select the I will install the operating system later. Select the Microsoft Windows and the Windows 10 64-bit. You can change the virtual machine name and the location to save the file. Next button. On this tab you select the capacity of the drive. Okay, and on this one you can do the customization hardware for the virtual machine. Yeah, increase the memory, processor. Okay, and something like CD and DVD, USB and network connection, or another one. Yeah, so now here the virtual machine has been created. You click on Edit Virtual Machine Setting to do some customization. Select the CD, DVDs, and you browse to the ISO file of the Windows 10. Okay button, and click on the power on this virtual machine and open the full screen mode. Yeah, enter it. It is loading the window from the ISO file. Okay, next, install now button. And on this step you can skip it and enter the license later on after you finish the installation. Select the version of the Windows 10 and depending on the ISO file you are using, so it will have some version of Windows here. I accept the license term. Scroll down to read it if you want. Next, click on Custom. Here you have to specify the location. I mean that this you want to be installed the Windows 10. Okay. Next. Yeah. So now it will start to copy the file and install the Windows. Yeah. Click on the Restart Now button to finish installation. So this is the first time Windows start, so it will take some minutes to do some of the configuration. Yeah. Select the region in the state, or you can change it to another one. The keyboard. Skip. Okay, so here you have to select some setup. I will select setup for personal use. On this step, you can click on sign in by using the Microsoft account or able to using the offline account. So here I'm selecting the offline account, so I have to provide the account name, password. I left it by blank. Yes. Yeah, so here on the login screen it will automatically log in because we don't have the password. Yeah, and this is a default desktop of the Windows 10 after you install the Windows successfully on the VMware tool. Okay, it looks beautiful. You click on the view menus, VMware menu, and click on install the VMware tool. So here, as you can see here, the Windows desktop, it is displaying not fully screen. So after you install the VMware VM tool for on this PC, it will automatically install some the driver for the Windows. So the screen resolution will be increase. I mean auto access for the virtual machine. It will take some seconds to install the tool. VMware tool setup. Typical. Install. Yeah, so you can see here for now the screen will be displaying fully. It look nice for now. Yeah, you need to restart the virtual machine in order to finish the installation for the driver update. Okay, cool. So here we are going to do some the testing for this window. Okay, so here I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to install and do configuration for Windows 10 on the VMware Workstation Pro tool. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye, and thank you for watching. See you later.